What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a good week. Hope everything's flowing smoothly for you guys. Been pretty good for me, so hopefully y'all are having the same luck. This is the evening vlog, so just got home from work. So I'm gonna try to do this real quick while we still got some daylight. But in my last video, the exhaust comparison video, I mentioned that I was gonna be getting a double din put in and the headlights done. So I did that. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Put the link in the description below. So anyways, we're going to get right into this video. So I'll show you guys the box of the double din that I got. And then obviously I'll show y'all the actual double din. So this is what I got. It's the Pioneer AVH 2300 NEX. And as you can see, it is Sirius compatible, Apple CarPlay, Pandora, Android Auto, and Spotify. So if you have an Apple phone or an Android phone, this one will do both. One thing I thought was kind of funny, I'll show you guys. So if you see right here, it says Networked Entertainment Experience. Experience. I don't know about that. I guess maybe their marketing team thought that was a good idea. Yeah, well, there's not a word with an X that we like, so we're just gonna, make one. So actually, it's not a nex, it's a knee. But anyway, so I'll show you guys the headlights real quick, and I'll show you guys the backup camera, and then we'll go inside the truck and check out the double din. So here are the new headlights. I don't know how well you can see that. See, there's no sun like discoloration or anything like that. They're not sunburnt, I guess maybe would be the term. We're on the other side, as you can see. Very nice, very clean, very cool. I'll turn them on for you. I don't know if it's quite that dark, so if it's not, I might put a clip in here later tonight. Maybe you'll be able to see them better a little later. But they are extremely bright. Very nice too, might I add. There you go. Yeah, you can kind of see. You can kind of get an idea of the color. And I did do the fog lights as well. So I probably should have turned the fog lights on too. Very bright. Of course, the GoPro doesn't do it justice. But hold on, I'll turn the fog lights on. Kind of give you guys the full effect. So, here we go. Headlights, fog lights. Let me back up. Here you go. You can kind of see very bright fog lights, very bright. I think they look good. I might still put a clip in here later tonight when it gets dark, when the sun finishes going down. But so there's that. Oh, I'll show you the backup camera that I got put in too. Show you guys that real quick. Here's the backup camera. Very small little guy there, not huge. I've seen some backup cameras, they look like a GoPro session hanging off the back of people's truck. It's unreal, but nothing like that here. We got a pretty small one, but it's still good quality. Picture and everything looks nice. So hop up in the truck here real quick. Okay, now for the head unit. Okay, this is for the double din, which it is a double din and a head unit, so however you want to go about that. So put the accessory on here. There you go. Apologize for the glare. Here we go. And of course, this just says don't do anything stupid, like play with your double din while you're driving. Okay, this is the main screen. This is just the off screen. You push the center button here, brings up your menu. Go to AV source. This is all the different things. This is your radio, CD, if you had one. And all you do for the CD, hit the eject, tell it to eject. It flips down. Here's your CD slot right here. Pretty straightforward. Push the button again, flips back up. Very cool. This is your Bluetooth, Pandora, Spotify, USB, if you have that. the iPod, and then Sirius, and of course a bunch of other things. Here on your menu, you also have your camera view. So if you want to select your camera, just so you guys can see what the backup camera looks like. As you can see, very high quality, very high definition. I mean, of course, that's just my driveway, but very nice looking camera. And these lines right here, they don't move. Like on some of the newer vehicles, when you go to, like, you turn left, they'll sweep this way or sweep that way. These don't, these are fixed. But honestly, the main reason I wanted the backup camera is for hooking up a bumper pull trailer by myself. It helps tremendously trying to line the ball up. And honestly, that's the only reason I even got the backup camera. So just so you guys know that. And then this is your power off. This will actually power the whole thing down. Like the screen will go totally black. It really looks like the truck's off. Like it'll power it off just like the truck was off. I typically do that before I turn the truck off, but I mean, it's probably not necessary. It's just something that I do. So anyway, yeah, so, and then, you know, of course, your radio station. Let's see. Yeah, probably not going to be anything here. Yeah. So, but anyway.
Please listen carefully. This message may apply to you and family.
Okay. This is your Bluetooth. Obviously, you didn't want to hear a bunch of crap from the radio. But this is your Bluetooth. My phone's not connected to it right now. But it would connect, you know, show you everything. I have Amazon Music, so it would, you know, bring up the song and, you know, the track, or excuse me, the artist, the track, and then the album. And then, again, this does have the Apple CarPlay, so I'll show you guys real quick. I'll plug my phone in. Okay. I'll go back to the main menu here. As you see, it gives you the option for the Apple CarPlay right here. So you push that, and there you go. There's your Apple CarPlay interface. As you can see, looks a lot like your iPhone. You can swipe, you know, there's Amazon Music, and then you can swipe back, or you can hit the home button. This is your home button, just like on your phone. So like if you were on another page, say you had like 2 or 3 pages of apps, you can just push the home button and it will take you back. Same thing if you're in any of the applications, like if you're on the maps or music or whatever, and you want to come back, you just push the home button just like you would on your phone. With the messages, one thing that's cool about that, while your phone's connected, if somebody texts you, it'll show a banner up here, and you can click on the banner, tell it to read you the message, and it'll read you the message and allow you to respond to the message so that you can, you know, text people. Like you can receive text and send text while you're driving without actually having to have your phone in your hand, which I think is very cool. Also, as you see here, you have your maps. So it uses your maps just like it would on your phone. And again, just like on your phone, you hold this down to access Siri. Siri, find the nearest Taco Bell.
The nearest one I see is Taco Bell.
So there you go. So as you can see, it brings up the nearest search results. You can push go to that one, or, you know, if you want to search for something else, you can do that. You just push the home button, it'll go back. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Also down here, sorry about that, turned the camera kind of funny. Down here, I'll unplug this. If you notice right here, this is a USB port. I had them install the port here. It only works when this is plugged in. Like the Apple CarPlay won't connect just by Bluetooth. You actually have to have it plugged in, which is not a big deal because I always have some kind of phone charger. But I had them put it right here instead of here or here, just because I do have the shifter in the floor for the transfer case, and I didn't want it to get in the way. I hate when the cord gets wrapped around the shifter. It drives me nuts. So I just had them put it here so that wasn't a problem. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I want to make this video kind of short just so you guys know. Again, one more thing. We will be at Bradenton Motorsports Park this coming Saturday, February 10th, for the Florida Truck Fest. All kind of diesel stuff, truck show, all that. I'll be out there filming, you know, checking out all that stuff. You guys should definitely come if you can. And Also, as far as the head unit and the headlights and all that stuff is concerned, big shout out to Audio Plus in Riverview, Florida. I've been dealing with those guys since 2010. They're awesome. They know what they're doing. They stand behind their work. Great prices. That head unit was only $450 just for the head unit. The backup camera was $80, and then I got this microphone put in right here. I think you guys can see that, but it's right here. You know, again, for your Bluetooth and all that kind of stuff. So very clean install. Always do a good job. Again, I've been using them since 2010. Awesome guys. Can't say enough about them. I'll put their information below so you guys can check them out. Again, if you're in the area, definitely worth checking out. And yeah, that's about it. Try to keep this video kind of short. I know I have a problem with rambling on for hours, but anyway, hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.